Hello everyone. Today we will discuss animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. So the animal husbandry very important because of the every year increasing of the human population. Increasing every year human population is increased. But so the increasing of the products like animal products like milk, meat, wool, so they are the increasing of the productivity. So these are helps from the animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. So the animal husbandry. So they are increasing of the productivity. So they are helps from the increasing of the population. So these helps from the animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. So in this animal husbandry, so they are presenting on the dairy farm management, dairy farm management, dairy farm management, poultry management, poultry management. Next one, aquaculture, aquaculture. Next one, bee keeping, beekeeping. So these are the parts of the animal husbandry. So they are the branches of the animal husbandry. So first one, dairy farm management. So this dairy farm management. So they are the dairy. So they are dairy farm. So they are increasing of the product of the milk. Milk production is increases. Next one, poultry farm management. So the poultry farm management. So they are the increasing of the eggs are the eggs production is increased and meat production is increase. Next one, aquaculture. Aquaculture means so the culturing of the water bodies like fishes. So they are the increasing of the fish productivity. Next one, beekeeping. Beekeeping means culturing of the honeybees. Culturing of the honeybees. So they are the increasing of the productivity of the honey and honey byproducts. So they are the help of the animal husbandry. So this animal husbandry. So the increasing of the productivities. Increasing of the productivities. Like so they are the animal husbandry, dairy farm and dairy farm industries, dairy farm industries, poultry farms. So they are the aquaculture. So they are the economically very important. So they are the economically helps from the farmers, economically useful from the farmers. Like so they are the byproducts like milk, meat, eggs, wool, next wool, so etc., honey. So they are the etc. So they are the products of the animal husbandries. So they are the product of the animal husbandries. So in normal the Indian cows, normal Indian cow per year, normal Indian cow normally per year, so they are produce 170 liters, 170 liters of milk. So they are only 170 liters of milk. So they are the Netherland cow. So they are per year they are producing 4,100 liters milk. They are producing 4,100 liters of milk producing from the Netherland cows. So the only the Indian cow per year only 170 liters, only 170 liters of milk is producing. But the Netherland cow for a year they are producing to the 4,100 liters of milk producing. So the Indian cows is called as teacup cow. Indian cow is called as teacup cows. Indian cow is called teacup cow. Indian cow is called as teacup cow because of they are producing less milk production. They are producing to the less milk production. So the Indian cows are called as teacup cow. Indian cow is called as teacup cow. Next one. So they are the animal husbandry. So they are the animals are the cattle animals. Cattle animals are three types. Three types. First one, milk animals. Milk animals. Milk animals. So the milk animals, so they are producing to the milk. So they are useful from the production of milk. Production of milk. Production of milk. So the production of milk. So they are useful on the production of milk. So they are not using from the traveling and agriculture purpose. So these milk animals, so they are only production of milk. So they are not useful from the agriculture and not useful from the transfer. Next, another type of the animals, like, so they are the useful from the agriculture practice, and so these help from the transport. These are helps from the transport. So they are another type of the animals. So these are useful from the agriculture and transport. Next one, dual purpose animals. Dual purpose animals. So these are dual purpose animals. So they are useful from the milk production and useful from the agriculture purpose. So they are using the agriculture and production of milk. So they are the three type of the animals: milk producing animals. So they are agriculture animals, dual purpose animals. So they are the three types of the animals. Next one, so they are the costliest bull. So they are the Ongol. So they are the Ongol bull. So the Ongol bull is the costly bull of the India. Costly bull of India. So they are the Ongol bull. So the Ongol bulls are the costliest bulls of the India. Next one, Murrah. Murrah. So the Murrah buffaloes. So they are the Murrah buffaloes are the. So they are the more milk producing buffaloes. The Murrah buffaloes are the more means the superior buffalo. Superior buffalo is the Murrah buffalo. So this buffalo they are producing the more milk. Producing the more milk. Next one, another one, Anand Dairy. So they are the Anand Dairy. Anand Dairy. So they are presenting in the Gujarat. Anand Dairy is presenting on the Gujarat. So they are the famous dairy farm. So they are Anand Dairy is a famous dairy farm of India. Anand Dairy is a famous dairy farm of the India. So this brand name Amul. So they are Amul milk packets, Amul card. So they are the brand name is Amul. So they are the Anand Milk Union Limited. Amul means Anand Milk Union Limited. Anand Milk Union Limited. Anand Milk Union Limited. Amul means Anand Milk Union Limited. So they are the present in the Gujarat. So this the Anand Dairy name Anand Dairy. So they are the famous dairy in India. So they are the Anand Dairy. Next one, animal husbandry, like dairy farm management. First, next one, dairy farm management. Dairy farm management. dairy farm management. So the dairy farm management, so this dairy farm management, so they are the everyday income. So the useful from the farmers, useful for dairy farm management, useful from the farmers, because of, so this income is everyday income. So these are the everyday income, so the yearly income, so they are the everyday, so they are farmers are the income through the dairy farm management. Next one, so these dairy farm management, so they are dairy, they are presenting on the 5 to 100s, dairy farm presenting on the 5 to 100s, hundreds of animals present in the dairy farm management. So the one dairy, they are presenting on the 5 to hundreds of animals, 5 to hundreds of animals present in the dairy farms. So these dairy farm, they are producing to the milk and milk products, producing to the milk products. Milk and milk products. The dairy farm, they are producing to the milk and milk products like curd, ghee, paneer, and so they are the milk products, curd, milk, paneer, butter, ghee. So these are the milk byproducts. So they are the in the useful from the fetus and infant babies, useful from the this milk, more importance of the milk, infants and fetus, infants and fetus babies. So they are useful from the milk. Milk is more importance from the infants and fetus babies, infants and fetus babies. So they are the dairy farm management. Next one, so the dairy farm management instructions, like, so they are the first step, select the resistant means disease resistant breed animals. So the select good animals, select good animals means the disease resistant free and production of the more milk. So they are the select of the good animals. Next one, water and ventilation, water and ventilation. So they are the more yield of the water and sufficient water and sufficient ventilation and free farm management. So they are the free surface areas are the free management. Next one, so they are the feed. So they are the maintaining the feed of the food, maintain feed of food of animals. So they are the special food materials given to the animals. Next one, so they are the everyday visit doctor, everyday visiting the doctor. So they are the very important of the animal husbandry, very important of the animal husbandry. Veterinary doctor, everyday visit veterinary doctor in dairy farm. So they are the identify the sick animals. So they are the weak animals. So they are the dairy farm management. So Anand Dairy, so they are the brand name Amul. So they are the famous dairy farm of India. So they are presenting in the Gujarat. So they are presenting in the Gujarat. Next one, Ongolu breed. Ongolu breed bulls are the very costed bulls of the India. Next one, Murrah breed. So this Murrah breed is, so they are the Murrah buffaloes are the producing more milk. So they are the animal husbandry, animal husbandry.